Hey everybody, Tammy here, and I wanted to go over very briefly a tool that we have now activated in the district for staff only, but it's a great collaborative tool that you can use with your team or your partner teachers or anybody on your campus. So if you just go to jamboard.google.com, then you can reach this tool. It's just a whiteboard tool, and it's just got some cool little aspects that I just wanted to point out for you. So they do have the pen tool, and you can draw. It's really handy if you have a touch screen. Um, makes it just a little bit easier. Than I'm not a very good writer with my mouse. Then you have your eraser tool, and then you have your selector tool, and then what I like the most is the sticky notes, the little post-its. Then you can choose from different colors and put on this board on the board. Just want to show you briefly when we used this in a PD earlier this week. So they have a calendar. This was just talking about different tools and just different post-its. What is the purpose of assessment? And we were able to put the post-its on there, and also notice we had different questions to answer. And so within the same Jamboard, we're able to have multiple pages with different questions. So just to show you real quickly what it looks like for with the post-its, you can turn it, you can resize it, um, and you can duplicate it, edit, and delete right here. And then we also have an image tool where you're able just to insert images. Those are some of the teachers that have shared their images with me. So let's say, let me go to another page. So I want to go to a blank page right here. I want to put in an image. I can put it over here. And then we can do some post-its over here. And then you've got a laser tool, which is simply if you just have it on, um, then you can just say, hey, look at this, and then it goes away. So that's just a quick tool. So you can have as many pages as you want here. You can share it because it is just like one of the other Google apps. And this open up on a Jamboard. There is actually a physical panel that called a Jamboard that is great for this kind of stuff. But this is just the web app, and there's also an app for a device. If you just download Jamboard, and it's just a simple whiteboard like this. You can change the background, or you can clear the whole frame. So just wanted to point that out. If you have any questions, just let me know.